Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into the FNB bank account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your FNB account from your desktop or your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in fnb.co.za like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for FNB login like this on the Google itself and hit enter. But from the first tab we'll be on the home page of FNB itself, while from the second tab it's on the Google search. You can see the first result, which is the fnb.co.za itself. Click over there and you can see this is also the homepage of FNB bank. Let's close one of these and let's accept all the cookies. Now on the top right corner of the screen you can see the empty boxes where you need to, or you're required to enter your username and password in order to log into your FNB account. Or if you have not yet registered for an FNB account, you can simply see the register button available over here. Click there and you'll be taken to the sign up procedure of FNB bank. Or if you have forgotten your username or password, simply click on forgot username or password, where when you click there you'll be taken to the procedure where you can retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost. Now to log into your FNB account, simply enter your username over here, and after enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your FNB bank account. And there guys, this is how you log into your FNB account from your desktop. And if you have any confusion or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.